Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Mercruiser carburetor is probably one of the most critical components for your boat's engine, directly impacting performance, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability on the water, ensuring that every journey is as smooth and powerful as possible. Number 5. THUNDERMINGO 4-Barrel Carburetor 650-750 CFM. This is a brand new 4-barrel carburetor designed to directly replace your Rochester quadrajet. It's perfect for automotive use, offering improved performance and throttle response. It's compatible with a wide range of V8 engines, including Chevy 327 to 454 cubic inch engines from 1966 to 1973, and Corvettes from 1975 to 1979. It also fits 1968 to 1973 Chevy and GMC trucks. Experience enhanced throttle response and overall performance across the entire RPM range. Each unit is calibrated for optimal performance in its specific application. This carburetor features a vacuum secondary and divorce choke, making it suitable for daily driving. Please ensure the CFM and size match your existing unit before purchasing. While installation instructions are not included, we recommend searching for online videos and consulting a qualified mechanic for proper installation and tuning to achieve the best results. This carburetor typically ranges from 600 to 750 CFM, with most rated at 750 CFM. Pre-installed jet sizes are listed for your reference. What we like. This is a brand new 4-barrel carburetor designed to directly replace Rochester quadrajets. It offers improved throttle response and overall performance for your vehicle. If you're looking to upgrade your classic Chevy or GMC truck's engine with a reliable and performance-enhancing carburetor for daily driving, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is 100% identical to the stock one. It comes with all kinds and sizes of jets. Kudos, what excellent company indeed. So installed, pumped the gas 3 times, turned the key, and that massive 7-liter monster finally came to life, and my god, it runs perfect, all pre-adjusted and set just right. This carburetor was surprisingly good out of the box. The float was adjusted correctly and did not have any issues with the upper plate. The carburetor bolted on and started up straight out of the box and required minimal adjustment. Number 4. Mercruiser 3.0 L2-Barrel Marine Carburetor. Introducing our premium quality marine carburetor, designed to get your boat running at peak performance. This is an improved version, ensuring reliability and durability for your engine. This unit is a perfect replacement for your defective carburetor assembly. It's engineered to directly replace part numbers like 3310-864940A01, ensuring a seamless fit. It offers excellent compatibility, fitting most Mercruiser 2.5L and 3.0 L2-barrel 4-cylinder engines. The base bolt pattern is 334 by 2 inches for easy installation. The package includes everything you need for installation, such as gaskets, linkages, and various small parts. You'll receive the carburetor along with all necessary components as shown. We stand behind the excellent quality of our product. This carburetor is backed by a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Experience enhanced performance with this expertly crafted carburetor. It's made from durable aluminum alloy and has been 100% tested to ensure it helps your boat perform at its best. What we like. This is a premium quality marine carburetor specifically designed for Mercruiser engines. It's an improved version of the original, ensuring your boat runs at peak performance. If you need a durable and reliable carburetor for your 2.5L or 3.0L 4-cylinder Mercruiser engine and want a hassle-free replacement with included gaskets, this is the perfect option. What people say. This carburetor is a direct replacement for the original, making installation straightforward. The quality of the materials used is excellent, ensuring durability and longevity. It provides a noticeable improvement in engine performance and fuel efficiency. Number 3. Mercruiser 3.0 L 2.5 L 4 CYL Marine Carburetor. Revitalize your Mercruiser 3.0 L or 2.5 L 4-cylinder engine with this high-quality marine carburetor. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability on the water. This carburetor is a direct replacement for OEM part numbers like 3310-864940A01 and 8M00453997. It ensures a perfect fit and easy installation for your marine application. Featuring an electric choke and a convenient side fuel inlet, this unit offers modern functionality. It comes with both short and long linkages for versatile setup options. It includes pre-installed #70.9 jets and spare number 68 and number 78 jets for precise tuning. Achieve the perfect air-fuel mixture for your specific engine setup. While it fits most 2.5L and 3.0L 2-barrel engines, please measure your base bolt pattern, 334 by 2 inches, before purchasing. Early models may require an adapter. This carburetor is fully tested and ready to install right out of the box. For best results, professional installation and tuning are recommended. What we like. This marine carburetor is built for Mercruiser 2.5L and 3.0L 4-cylinder engines, featuring an electric choke and side fuel inlet. It comes with spare jets for custom tuning. If you have an early Mercruiser model and need a carburetor that offers adjustability for optimal performance, this one is a strong contender, especially if you prefer to fine-tune your engine's fuel mixture. What people say. Worked right out of the box without any adjustments. Had the boat out on the lake for hours this weekend and the carb idles and revs well. Easy installation. Once carb was installed and the float bowl was primed, the boat started right up with little effort. Had to do some idle adjustment and choke adjustment to get it into spec, but after that the boat would start right up by just bumping the key. This was easy to install. Fit was great. Easy to adjust. Nice and shiny. Boat started right up. Number 2. Mercruiser 3.0L 2.5L Marine Carburetor. Introducing a premium quality marine carburetor, designed to get your boat running at peak performance. This improved version addresses common issues, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride on the water. Easily replace your old or faulty carburetor with this perfect fit. It's engineered for compatibility with Mercruiser stern drive and Mercury marine engines, specifically the 2.5L and 3.0L 4-cylinder models. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this carburetor is built for longevity. It's 100% tested to ensure reliability and performance, making it an excellent choice for your marine engine. This package includes everything you need for a successful installation. You'll receive the carburetor, various linkages, gaskets, and all necessary small parts for a complete assembly. We stand behind our product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you encounter any issues or have questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you via email. Featuring a 2-barrel design and electric choke, this unit is precisely engineered for 4-cylinder engines. It comes with pre-installed jets and additional jets for custom tuning, ensuring optimal fuel delivery. What we like. This is a brand new, premium quality marine carburetor with a sleek black finish, designed for Mercruiser engines. It's an improved version of the original, ensuring your boat operates at peak performance. If you're looking for a durable, 100% tested carburetor for your 2.5L or 3.0L 4-cylinder Mercruiser and want a visually appealing upgrade, this black model is an excellent choice. What people say. It starts up immediately once I turn the key and revs up smoothly. My 2001 Mercruiser 3.0 has never run this good, not since I've owned it. No more hesitation, used it for 3 weeks now with no complaints. Number 1. iFJF Carburetor Rebuild Kit for Mercury Marine Engines. Is your boat engine running rough? This kit is designed to bring your Mercury Marine engine back to life. Get it running smoothly again with a complete rebuild. Specifically engineered for Mercury Marine 3.0L, 4.3L, 5.0L, and 5.7L engines. It ensures a precise fit for your Mercarb 2 BBL carburetor. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a full carburetor overhaul. It even comes with the float, ensuring you have all necessary components. Don't settle for less when it comes to engine performance. Our kit provides high-quality replacement parts to restore your carburetor's optimal function. Designed for straightforward installation, this kit will have your engine performing reliably in no time. Experience the difference a quality rebuild makes. Bring back the lost power and fuel efficiency to your boat. This rebuild kit is the key to unlocking your engine's full potential again. What we like. This is a comprehensive carburetor rebuild kit designed for Mercury marine engines including 3.0L, 4.3L, 5.0L, and 5.7L. It comes with a float for a complete restoration. If your existing Mercarb 2 BBL carburetor is showing signs of wear and you're looking to restore its performance without buying a whole new unit, this rebuild kit is the most cost-effective and practical solution. What people say. Good carb kit for the price, good quality gaskets. Also includes the needle and seat which fit my issue on Mercruiser 5.0. This was a perfect replacement for my carb. Everything needed to get my 4.3 running again. I only needed the 2 gaskets and they fit okay with the Venturi Group gasket needing a bit of trimming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.